respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Yamsudar. My study standard 6. My school name is Swami Vivekananda Public School. I am here to deliver a speech on newspaper. Newspaper is a paper that gives us news. We also get news about new discoveries and inventions. The first newspaper that was printed in India was the Bengal Gazette. News in cyclone can be earned from the newspapers. Reading newspaper improve your knowledge and understanding of the world. Reading newspaper make us brilliant speakers